Hi kitchen friends! Christmas is just around the corner. And here in Jules Flavor Bliss would like to give you a Christmas treat. During this holiday season, we will feature a variety of extra special recipes that you could try for your Christmas Noche Buena. And we'll start with a dessert, the French Soufflé, a very sassy hotel restaurant dessert. A bit intimidating at first, but as you go along, it is easy and exciting. So come on, let's start Christmasing in the kitchen. We start to prepare our ramekins by brushing it with butter. Very well on the bottom, then on its side with an upward stroke. This will help our souffle to climb up straight from the ramekins. Then, we'll dust it with granulated sugar. And then we'll pop it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now we crack the eggs, separating the egg whites from the yolk. Just be careful not to leave any trace of yolk in the egg whites. And this is what are you going to do if you find a tiny piece of eggshells. You just fish it out with another shell. Then we combine sugar and starch. Then add the egg yolks. Then I added here vanilla extract. This will help me thin the consistency. Now let's heat the milk. You just need here a slow fire. And this is the consistency of the egg mixture. And then we add a pinch of salt. We will now add a little portion of the milk to our egg mixture. And this is called tempering. And tempering is a simple cooking method. It is bringing two liquids you plan to blend together to a similar temperature before you combine them completely. And this prevents the eggs from curdling. And with this mixture on your stove, you need a full attention. You continue whisking it to prevent it from sticking to the pan. You have here a slow to a mild fire. When you have this consistency, you just need a couple of minutes and it is done. When it's ready, we'll cover it with a cling wrap and set it aside for later. Now for our third process, we will whip the egg whites. But be sure the bowl is extra clean and free from any grease. And we beat the egg whites to the lowest speed and gradually increasing it up to the medium speed. And we gradually add the sugar until we reach the medium stiff thick stage. And this is just like 11 o'clock on your dial. And this is the consistency that we are looking for. Stiff but not dry. And for the fourth process, we'll whisk the egg whites or the custard. And if you're having a difficulty in whisking it by hand, you can use your hand mixer to smooth it out. At this point, we are going to combine the egg whites or the meringue to our custard or the egg yolk mixture. But again, gradually. And we'll be using again the tempering method. But we are not dealing with the temperature. We are dealing with the consistency of the two mixtures. At this time, we don't want to deflate the volume of our meringue. Now, since our two mixtures are almost the same in consistency, we're going to combine the two mixtures completely. Then we'll just fold it. Folding method is bringing the ingredients that is under, then up to the top, then scrape again under, and we'll bring to the top again and again until all mixture are well blended. But we do it with care so that we avoid deflating the volume of the egg whites. We stop mixing it until there's no more traces of egg whites in the butter. Then we start filling in our ramekins. We put generous amount of our butter mixture to the ramekins up to the brim, and then we will level it with a scraper. When it's already leveled to the top, we will run our thumb in the corners or in the side of the ramekins. This will help the souffle to reach the top. As it bakes, now our souffle is ready to pop in the oven. And we bake it with a very high temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until top is slightly brown.
Look at that! Oh my!
Yes, there is a sense of self-fulfillment after baking this souffle. When we serve it, we dash it with powdered sugar on top. Or sometimes you could top it with your favorite jam or fruits or ice cream. And this would be a great treat for your family and friends during your Christmas Noche Buena. We still got more Christmas Noche Buena special recipes in store for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the icon bell so that you will be notified for our next videos. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas! Stay safe, stay well, God bless, bye!